In this video, we are going to set up the code editor and create our first web page. First, we will go to XAMPP, and in the htdocs folder, we will create a new folder called HTML5. Once that is done, we will go search for Sublime Text and download and install it. Once you have done installing it, open it. Go to File, New Folder. Now we must navigate to that HTML5 folder we created in the htdocs. Go to C drive or wherever you have XAMPP installed. Usually it's in the C drive. XAMPP, htdocs, and select the HTML5 folder. Now we will create our first web page. Go to File, New. Now I will paste some code in here that is the foundation of every HTML page. Pause the video and copy it. The first line tells the browser it's an HTML page. Next is the HTML code. Notice the angle brackets. The code in them are called HTML elements, and they come in pairs. Notice the closing element has a / at the beginning. In between the body elements is where all the content for the web page goes. Let's save the file. We'll call it index.html. This is the home page of the website. As you know, when you visit a website, the page you land on, the home page, it is always called index.html or index.php. We must save it inside our HTML folder in the htdocs. Once the file is saved, you will notice the code changes color. This helps make things easier. Now let's test our web page. Make sure XAMPP is running. Open your browser and type localhost HTML5 because that's the folder where this index.html5 resides. You see there's nothing in the body, but we know we are on the index.html page as we see the title matching our title. What would happen if we change the title? Let's see. Refresh the browser. We see the title has changed. Now let's add some text in between the body element. Refresh, and we have our first web page running on our development server. Now our development environment is set up and working. We will start styling things next.